The Nightmare has arrived. We just received notice from the ship owner that our next voyage will be carrying grain. This is the Cruise Nightmare. The charterer said that if the warehouse inspection passes smoothly after one attempt, the 19 crew members can share $30,000. The cargo hasn't even been unloaded yet, but we've already started cleaning the cargo hold. Once the ship leaves port, we'll have to clean again and again. We're working overtime every day. It's really tough. I don't care about the money. What I fear most is the crew working hard, only to end up with nothing in the end. I remember last year when I went through the same experience, transporting coal and then grain. We spent a whole 20 days cleaning in the anchorage, and in the end, the warehouse inspection still didn't pass. The charterer had to hire a professional cleaning team, and they finished cleaning 5 holds in less than a day, with results almost identical to ours. But they passed the inspection. Is this discrimination? Or is it just one of those unspoken rules?